Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you are well. Oke, nama saya Elsa Fitriana dengan NIM 201250020. Di sini saya akan menjelaskan materi bahasa Inggris dengan judul Active and Passive Voice. And what is active voice? Active voice means that sentence a subject that acts upon its verb. Jadi active voice itu adalah sebuah kalimat aktif yang memiliki sebuah subjek yang bertindaknya atas kata kerja tersebut. And what is passive voice? Passive voice means that subject is a repetition of verb's action. Jadi passive voice itu adalah sebuah kalimat pasif di sisi lain ketika subjek tersebut ditindaklanjutin itu oleh kata kerja tersebut. And what the difference between active and passive voice? Active voice that when the subject of sentence perform the verb action, we say that the sentence is in the active voice. Sentence in the active voice have a strong, direct, and clear tone. Jadi dapat diartikan ketika sebuah kalimat subjek tersebut melakukan sebuah tindakan kata kerja, maka kalimat tersebut dapat dikatakan kalimat aktif, yang dimana di dalamnya kalimat aktif tersebut terdapat kalimat yang kuat, langsung, dan jelas. And for the passive voice is always conjugate with conjugate form of to be plus the verb's past participle. Doing this usually generating a preposition as well that sound much more complete than it. And the next, for example of active and passive voice. Active voice example: Monkey adore bananas, and the other, the cashier counted the money. And for passive voice example, bananas are ordered by Monkey. So, when to use active and passive voice? Using the active voice conveys a strong, clear tone, and the passive voice is subtle and weaker. Here are some good advice: don't use the passive voice just because you think it sounds a bit fancy. Jadi ketika menggunakan kata aktif, menyampaikannya itu harus menggunakan dengan nada yang kuat dan jelas. Dan ketika menggunakan kata pasif itu akan menyampaikannya itu lebih halus dan lebih lemah. And next form of passive voice, that for number 1, that simple present tense. For active voice, that subject plus verb 1 plus object. Example: my mother always clean the floor every morning. And for passive voice, subject plus to be plus verb 3 plus by plus object. Example: the floor is always cleaned by my mother every morning. And for number 2, present continuous tense. That for active voice, subject plus to be plus verb 1 ing and plus object. Example: they are making a rainbow cake now. And for passive voice, subject plus to be plus being plus verb 3 plus by and plus object. An example: a rainbow cake is being made by them now. And for number 3 is the present perfect tense. And for active voice, subject plus to be plus being plus verb 3 plus by and plus object. Example: the manager has interviewed some candidates. And the passive voice, subject plus have or has plus been plus verb 3 plus by and plus object. Example: some candidates have been. Next, number 4, present perfect continuous tense. For active voice, subject plus have or has plus been plus verb 1 ing and plus object. An example: many people have been speaking English. And for passive voice, subject plus have or has plus been plus being plus verb 3 plus by plus object. An example: English has been being spoken by many people. Next, number 5, simple past tense. Active voice, subject plus verb 2 plus object. Example: Fadila watched the movie in the dark last night. And for passive voice, subject plus to be plus verb 3 plus by and plus object. Example: the movie was watched by Fadila in the dark last night. And for number 6, past continuous tense. Active voice, subject plus to be plus verb 1 ing and plus object. Example, she was buying some books last night. For passive voice, subject plus to be plus being plus verb 3 plus by and plus object. For example, some books were being bought by her last night. Next, number 7, past perfect tense. For active voice, subject plus had not plus verb 3 and plus object. For example, Carol had made a good decision to leave Liverpool. And for passive voice, subject plus had and been plus verb 3 plus by and plus object. For example, a good decision had been made by Carol to leave Liverpool. Next, number 8, past perfect continuous tense. For active voice, subject plus had plus been plus verb 1 being and plus object. Example, she had been weathering this plan. And for passive voice, subject plus had plus been plus being plus verb 3 plus by and plus object. For example, this plant had been being watered by her. Next, number 9, simple future tense. For active voice, subject plus will not plus verb 1 and plus object. Example, the farmers are going to harvest the crops next week. And for passive voice, subject plus will be plus verb 3 and plus by and plus object. And for example, the crops are going to be harvested by the farmers next week. And for number 10, there is future continuous tense. And for passive active voice, subject plus will plus be plus verb 1 plus seeing and plus object. And for example, he will be meeting them. And for passive voice, subject plus will plus be plus being plus verb 3 plus by and plus object. For example, they will be being met by him. And for number 11, future perfect tense. And active voice, subject plus will plus have plus verb 3 and plus object. Example, she will have water this plant before I get her this afternoon. And for passive voice, subject plus will plus have plus been plus verb 3 plus by and plus object. Example, this plant will have been watered by her before I get here this afternoon. Next, for number 12, future perfect continuous tense. And for active voice, subject plus will plus have plus been plus verb 1 being and plus object. Example, she will have been watered this plant. And for passive voice, subject plus will plus have plus been plus verb 1 plus being and plus object. And for example, this plant will have been being watered by her. Next, number 13, there is past future tense. And number 14, there is past future continuous tense. Next, number 15, past future perfect tense. And number 16, past future perfect continuous tense. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you can understand what I explained. The end. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.